Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create Azure virtual machine for Oracle Linux. I have connected to Azure portal. Then go to this search and search for virtual machines. Select the virtual machines icon. See, I am having one virtual machine, that is Windows 11 operating system. Now we are going to create a new virtual machine, that is for Oracle Linux. Click on this create button. Then again click on this virtual machine. Here we have to provide subscription type. I mean free trial. Then we have to provide resource group. If you don't have resource group, then click on this create new. Or if you have an existing resource group, click on this drop down list and select them. Okay. Now we have to provide the name for virtual machine. I am giving ORC, that is Oracle Linux, that is the virtual machine name. Then region. Region is East US. Then availability options. I am going with no infrastructure redundancy required. Security type. I am going with standard. Image. Here we need to change the image. Click on this drop down list. See, we have Oracle Linux 8.4 LVM Gen 1. Select it. We want to see. But if you want to go for Oracle Linux older versions, click on this see all images. Then search for Oracle. Oracle Linux. Then click on the select button. See, here we have these many versions, these many operating system versions available. Select any one of them, and if you want this as spot instance, then click on this checkbox. Then size, that is memory size and virtual CPUs. By default it has selected 2 virtual CPUs and 8 GB memory. If you want to change, click on the see all sizes and select them. Next, authentication type. By default it has selected SSH public key or password. It's up to you. But I am going to use password authentication. Then provide the username. Azure user. Then provide the password. Or you can give Oracle Azure user. Anything is fine. Then provide the password. Now public inbound ports. By default it has selected allow selected ports. Also here select inbound ports, it has selected SSH 22 and HTTP and HTTPS I have selected. Now we have completed basics. Next click on this disks. OS disk type premium SSD. If you want to change. I am going with standard SSD. And encryption type I am going with default. I am not changing anything. See here, data disk. If you have an existing disk, then click on this attach an existing disk. If you don't have, then click on create and attach a new disk. See, by default the name has selected is this one and source type is none. If you want to change source type, then select snapshot or storage block. Then size of the size, by default the size is 1 terabyte. I am changing this to 130. I am changing this size. See, these are the available sizes. I am changing to 128 gigabytes. Then click on select the line and click on OK. Encryption type default. Enable shared disk. I have selected no. Then click on OK. See, it has selected this one. Now click on networking. See, by default it has selected virtual network as Azure VMs VNet. If you want to create a new virtual network, click on this create new. Then subnet, public IP. Okay. If you want to create public IP, create new. I am going with defaults all. Management. Here also I am not changing anything. If you want to enable auto shutdown, click on this checkbox. Then it will ask us to provide the shutdown time and time zone notification also. Notification will be sent to this mail ID, but I am not enabling auto shutdown. Then advanced options. I am not changing anything. Tags. You want to provide name and value page, provide them. Otherwise, click on this review and create. See the product details. It is standard D2 ASB4 and subscription credits apply. Almost 7 rupees per hour. These are the basic details. These are the management details and advanced options. Now click on this create button to create the Azure virtual machine for Oracle Linux. See, it is initializing deployment. Deployment is in progress. Notice this section is going to show list of the applications or tools created for this virtual machine. See, it has created resources, public IP, deployment succeeded. Close this notification. If you want to create another virtual machine, click on this create another virtual machine. Or if you want to see the overview of this virtual machine, then click on go to resource. These are the details. Resource group, operating system type, status, standard and size, location, public IP address, subscription type and virtual network and subnet type, subscription ID, okay, and tags. See, these are the networking and virtual machine details. Computer name is ORC Linux, operating system type, publisher, offer, plan, okay. Now we have successfully created Azure virtual machine for Oracle Linux. Now we have to connect to this Azure Oracle Linux virtual machine. Open PuTTY, then copy this public IP. Click on this copy button or just select this text and Ctrl+C from your keyboard. Then paste it here. Now click on open. Say yes. Here provide login name. User. See, we have successfully connected to Azure Oracle Linux virtual machine. Let's verify this is Oracle Linux or not. By running the command more/etc os-release. See, name Oracle Linux server and version is 8.4. So in this video we have seen how to create Azure virtual machine for Oracle Linux. Then we have seen how to connect to Oracle Linux virtual machine by using PuTTY. For more Azure and Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.